Hi guys, so in this video we'll see how the contract will be processed in RAR if optimized inbound processing is activated. Okay, mean to say if optimized inbound processing is activated in RAR, so where we can see the contract whether it is a processed or not. So what is the status? Okay, now you can see this is the contract which I have created. So the contract number is this one. Okay, now we'll see in RR. So first traditionally what we will do instead of going Fury, what I will do, I will try to show you the same contract in Raimon. See, usually in classic contract management, I mean in classic inbound processing, we'll see contract in this. But when it comes to optimized contract management, you will not be able to see the source documents and raw items, revenue accounting items in RAI monitor. Okay, you see, I will give. So my company code is RER2 and header ID is this one. Okay, now if I just execute right, you can see no items found that match selection parameters. Why this contract is not updated in the raw monitor T code? Because I have activated the optimized contract management. So if you activate optimized contract management, I mean optimized inbound processing, sorry, not optimized contract management. If you activate optimized inbound processing in RAR, then you will not see revenue accounting items in raw monitor. Instead of it, you have to go to Fury. There is an app in Fury. The app name is called Manage Revenue Accounting Items. You can see in the screen, it's a Manage Revenue Accounting Items. Here also you can see we have Manage Revenue Accounting Items. So it is for classic inbound processing. This one is optimized inbound processing. Okay, we have to come to this Manage Revenue Accounting Items tab, and here you have to provide your company code, ADR2, and header ID is this one. Okay, now I will click on Go. Now if you see here down, you can see our contract item status is postponed. You can see item status is postponed. So header ID this one 25. Here also postponed. So everything is postponed. So if you see in our classic inbound processing, you will not have this status postponed and all. We are having only few statuses. You can see what was the we were having exempted, partially processed something. So we did not have postponed in classic inbound processing, whereas optimized we have postponed. So what does it mean? Whenever any source document comes to RR, so automatically it will try to process, and at the time of processing only, I mean at the time of creating contract only, it will check all accounting determination in BRF plus rules. Okay, now I will select this, and if I open inside it, we have to click on application log. So if we click on application log, you will see that what is the error. So here you can see the error is accounting determination for revenue recognized for allocation field error. That means account determination is not there for revenue recognized. I mean recognized revenue. Okay, this is the error. So due to this, it is not processed. It is in postponed status. Now I will show you that after maintaining BRF plus how to process. So I will show you how to maintain the BRF plus rule also. Okay. Now if I go BRF plus rule, so this is the recognized revenue allocation. Now I will maintain values for RER2. Let me go to edit. So RER2. Okay. Then RER2. Okay. Then I will check, save, activate. Okay. Yes. So now see we have activated and we added the GL account for company code RA2 for relevant details. So you can see this is the GL account I have added. So now what I will do, I will go to try items and I will try to reprocess. Okay. Now let me go back and let me select all of this and at once I will do process. Okay. See, even if I am clicking on the process, it's telling process completed, but still you can see item status is postponed. Now let's see what is the error. Okay. Just see, select and click on application log. You can see still it is telling the account determination for recognized revenue allocation is failed. We'll see what is it. See, intentionally I missed one setting. Okay. Usually people what they think. So once we maintain the records here, then it is a fine. Okay. So not only that, sometimes what you have to do, I mean, when you are setting BRF plus rules initially, you have to go to rule set and under rule set, you have to see whether recognized revenue, I mean, whatever is there, whether it is active or not. And along with that, one of the most important setting, we have to see rule set for header. Okay. If you see for this one, what error we are getting, see revenue adjustment allocation. If you go inside it, we have to see rule set. So if you see rule set, it's not enabled. So most of the times people struggle here. I mean, people will think that we have maintained the interest, why it is not coming. If rule set is not enabled, then you will not get BRF plus rule or you will not get account determination triggered. Okay. Go to edit, enable it, check, save, activate it. Okay. Now done, right? Let me activate it. Yes. Now it's activated, rune enabled. Now what I will do, I will go here. Now I will reprocess this. Okay. Now if I select all and click on process, now you can see status is processed. Item status is processed and you can see contract is created. Now we can click on this show revenue contract. Okay. Now you can see revenue contract, this one 6. You can just see amount allocation, amount allocation explained and more links. So these are all available only in if we activate optimized inbound processing, and also this is the latest S4HANA 2025. So if you guys wish to know more about SAP RAR, optimized inbound processing and optimized contract management, and also in latest 2025 version, so you guys can reach me. Okay. You guys can comment on the you guys can comment on it if you want, and if you're looking for RA training also, you can comment on the okay. Okay guys, thank you. And there are other videos in my YouTube channel, you can just go through them, and there is RAR introduction video as well, so you can go through that and you will get my details there, so you can reach from the details. You have phone number and mail ID in that video end, first video end. Okay. Okay then, thank you.